Hi, I'm Jim Madsen. I'm the Executive Director of the Wisconsin IceCube Particle Astrophysics Center at the University of Wisconsin-Madison.
Hi, I'm Mark David Hosale, and I'm chair and associate professor of computational arts in the School of Arts, Media, Performance, and Design at York University. And our artwork is called Messages from the Horizon.
So this is a collaborative project trying to find a way to convey how do we represent abstractly objects in the universe in a way that's meaningful with both sound and light. So I do work with a telescope that looks for almost invisible particles called neutrinos, which are produced in extreme environments and interactions in the universe. So have been working for a number of years with Mark David, trying to represent this in multiple different displays. And this was a new approach with this persistence vision.
And so in the exhibit, we have screens that show different perspectives of the same phenomena. So the persistence of vision displays represent this phenomena that's out there that we can't really reach, touch, or get close to, and then these screens visualize what's happening in either sonically or through different kinds of imaging and simulation. So sentience kind of relates well to this zone of work that we've been doing over the years, in that what we're working with is this boundary between you know data and how we perceive it and understand it. So in the end, like all scientific discovery comes down to some level of observation.
We have this kind of paradox of an increasingly abstract science data, but an increasingly more powerful um, imaging tools, right, and displays that allow us to do things in a relatively quick and economical way that are very powerful.
That's a lot of what this work's about, is making it sentient so that it can be understandable and intuitive. And so like some of the work we've done is shown to even to like high school students and younger, and some of it's meant for professional art gallery. But in the end, it's all about this connection between the universe and thinking about how we understand it, how we can see it, and make it more meaningful to ourselves. Thank you for joining us for this artist capsule.